Hi everyone, in this video I will answer some of the most frequently asked questions. So how to plot the uncertainty band or confidence interval or something look like this. And this is one of the most frequently asked question in Stack Overflow. For example, there's many form for this question. For example, how can I plot data with confidence interval? And there's was almost 300,000 times viewed. And how to plot a future uncertainty or shading confidence intervals manually or shading confidence interval in R. So these questions are basically the same questions, and now I will show you how to answer these questions. So let's open RStudio here. And the link to this R script is in this video description. Now, for example, we just need to install the ggplot2 package install. Just type ggplot2 in here and then install, but I already did it. So I just need to load this plot package. And now I create a data. So let's see our data in here. Click here. So our data has 4 columns. The first column is time. The second column is the lower confidence interval, and this is the upper confidence interval, and this is the median. And now I want to plot the confidence interval and the median line. Here, Control Enter. I will explain in detail later. And now, for example, I want to put the legend together. Control Enter. And now I want to have another line in here, for example. Control Enter here. And now I want to plot the uncertainty for example, for other variables. Add to this plot. Control Enter here. And now I will explain you in detail how to create such a plot. Let's go up and then here, Control Enter, and I will explain the first plot in here. So first we need to call the function gplot. Our data is what data here because our data frame has the same name. And then to create the shaded area in here, so the confidence interval in here, we use geom ribbon and aesthetic. What is x? X is, look at our data in here, should be time. Y mean should be lower and Y max should be upper. X is time. Y mean is lower. Y max upper. And we want to fill with which color. Just give it a name here. I just say this mean and max. Control Enter, and now here. So and then we can use this ID to assign another name, to assign to a color later. And now the color is just red. And here, for example, you want to have transparency. You can say alpha. Let's say 0.8. And you see more transparency, 0.2. And now we want to add the median line here. We just say the geom line and aesthetic. X is still time and Y is, in this case here, the median is here, median. And we just give a color ID to it, color. Let's say median. So now here we have a line and the uncertainty band, and we want to adjust the color, and here manually we can change to the color that we want. So to change the color, we should use scale here and the color, And to change the color of this, the uncertainty band, we scale fill. So first we change the color of the uncertainty band in here, and we just use scale fill manual. And in here, we want to change the name. For example, instead of fill, we should have another name which is more meaningful. So here I just give a general, I just give name one. You can change it later. So fill will change to name one. You can change to the name of the variable that you are plotting in here. And then I want to change the color value. So value equals C here. This is the color ID min max. Just copy it. And then I say that the color could be blue. Control enter, and now it's blue. Or you can use the hex color ID code. For example, here. Control enter. Let's change it. This the same. So you can search in the internet list of hex color ID. And now I want to change the line color scale, because the line here, geom line here, we want to change color here, and so we say scale color manual. Also, we want to give it a name. Here, instead of color, we give some other name, for example, name 2. I just say name 2. And then you should assign a color value to the median here. Value C. So we take the color ID here and assign it with the actual color. For example, I want to assign with the same color in here. Then control enter. And now we have the color that we want. And we want to change the title and legend. Lab. Here you can change the title of the, add the title of the plot, title and the X label. I just say X lab. Y label, I just say Y lab. Control enter here. Now I have the title X lab, Y lab. And I want to change the background color. I want to remove the gray color in here. I just say theme. Yeah, my favorite one. And I can also move the legend in here to other location that I want using theme legend position right, top, bottom, or left. Here you see that the legend is the separate. So if I want to overlay the two legends together, I should have the same name in here. Instead of name 1, name 2, I should have the same name. For example, if I not giving this, so this is the same, and this is also the same here, and now the two will overlay together. Okay, and here just the explanation for the first two plot I just show. So back to this plot. Here we can add another line together in here. For example, in this case, add another line together. So when add the line together, we want to adjust the color of this line. For example, the second line here. If we want to adjust the color, we just use like scale, because this is color, so scale color manual. And the name, we give it the name here, and the value. So for example, the color of this line should be this color, blue. And if we want to change the color of the second line here, we just write new lines and assign the color to it. And here, if we want to show the legend first new line and second median, we should use break here. If I change this, for example, control copy here, you will see that the order will switch, first median and then new line. Control enter here. If you want to be backed, just here, control enter. And the last case, I want to add another uncertainty band. So this is the most complex case, and here the first one here blue, the second one here pink color, and the median line, and this is the red line. And if I want to change the color, still the same principle. So I want to assign the median here, median line this color, and the new median line this color, and the new line this color here. So follow the same principle. Yeah, thanks for your interest in this video, and let's go to the next video.